if we will make mistakes and then people are going to see our mistake and then people are going to judge us. So because of that, they don't even try.
People always judge this thing is good or that thing is bad.
Yes.
Every mistake can give many experience.
Do have very positive attitude towards learning English language because there are a lot of people they wants to learn English. They want to learn English, but what happens is hello ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hello, Akanksha. Good afternoon. How are you?
Yes, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. And how are you?
I'm also good.
Okay, thank you so much for joining me today. And okay, so before we proceed for the conversation, shall I know a little bit about you?
If I talk about myself, so my name is Neeti Agra and I belong to UP, but currently I'm living in Pune. And I'm a proud mother of one child. She's a girl and she's a 9 years old. And if I talk about my education, so I have completed MA in geography and MA. And I'm a passionate about English. That's all about me.
Great, great, lovely introduction, I would say. And so, how long have you been learning this language?
6 months back, I took a session with grammar with Manju ma'am
Okay.
on video call.
Mhm.
Uh, After taking that session, I I'm not consistent, but I'm consistent, and every day I'm for learning this language. I can listen many conversation video, and I read many books like my daughter's book and other story book, and I watch some video and podcast on mobile.
Hmm.
So in this way, I'm learning this language.
Okay. Great, I would say. I mean, yeah, that's a great way to immerse yourself completely in this language if you want to like get outcomes very fast. I just want to know that how often you are speaking in a day.
I do speaking practice in front of mirror while doing household chores.
Okay, great, great. Okay, I want to know that do you enjoy this process of learning this language or do you feel like it is a pressure to learn this language?
No, actually, ma'am, whatever we want to learn, and so we should learn with interest.
Mhm. Yes,
So that learning can be easy for
absolutely.
you.
Mhm. So, do you watch movies?
So actually, I like only Hindi movie, but sometimes I watch Hindi movie. But after watching that movie, I think about in English that movie's story.
Mhm.
So
Wow,
in my mind, I explain
wow,
it.
great, I would say. Great. Okay, so what are the difficulties right now you are facing while speaking and while learning this language? It must be like you get some difficulties as well, right? We cannot say that everything is good, right? So I just want to know, is there anything you find like it is a difficult task to do? What are the difficulties you are finding?
I have already told you like if you want to learn anything, so we should not take a pressure. Every work has some difficulty,
Yes.
and while doing any work and while learning anything, so many difficulty is you can you will
Face.
face.
Hmm. Absolutely.
Actually, every mistakes can give many experience.
Mhm. Yes, yes. Yeah, I mean every mistakes comes with some lessons and they teach us something, right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah. I mean you are very positive about learning English and I mean you have very positive attitude towards learning English language because there are a lot of people they wants to learn English but what happens is they feel like you know if we will make mistakes and then people are going to see our mistake and then people are going to judge us. So because of that they don't even try to speak. So what do you want to
yes, yes.
say for those people? Like what are your message to them?
Actually, ma'am, people always judge this thing is good or that thing is bad. I would suggest many people, whoever wants to learn anything, they they should learn definitely with
Mhm.
interest. They do not think about a negative person.
Yes.
People always judge other people. You should listen to yourself, and you should listen to your mind.
Yes. True that. Yeah. Okay, I want to know that too. What made you decide to learn this language? What was the reason behind it?
Actually, ma'am, English is a fashion nowadays, and we can say other words. English is speaking English is a skill. If you have this skill, so you can change your personality. If you have good personality, so you can attract many people towards, and whatever knowledge we have, so we can by using that knowledge and by using that skill, we can change our personality.
Yes, I mean, English is not only just a language, but it is a skill, of course. And if you know, and I think it's a global language, and nowadays
Yes,
it is
yes,
very necessary to learn this language for everyone. And if you are able to learn this language, if you can learn this language, it's great for you. And of course, once you learn something new, you get confidence. You feel very confident about yourself, and when you feel very confident inside, definitely it shows in your face and it shows in your personality as well. And then people will say that people are going to look at you that okay you have a good personality, so it's a kind of
yes,
cycle.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, and one more thing, ma'am, like nowadays, every parents wants to send their child in English medium school, and uh, and every English medium teachers
Mm.
want to talk with parents in English.
Yes.
So it's because of this, many mothers are learning this language.
Yes, it has become very necessary to learn this language these days actually. Okay, I want to ask you that because I just want to know a little bit about how your day look like, because you are a homemaker, you must be very busy in your household chores as well. So how do you manage your household chores and then learning and all? What your day look like, typical day?
I wake up around 6 o'clock. Then I finish my daily routine, and then I prepare breakfast for my daughter,
Mhm.
and then I take bath and do her shift, and then prepare lunch. And after finishing all afternoon's household work, I go to pick her up, my daughter, her school, then come back home and I prepare dinner.
Okay. Do you practice with
Uh,
your daughter as well? Do you speak with her in English?
yes, I speak with her, and sometimes she talk to me in Hindi, sometimes she talk to me in English.
It is a good thing to practice with your children, like they are not going to judge you, and she is also very small right now, she's just 9-year old, right? So you can
Yes, yes,
practice with
yes.
her. Yeah, like just try to speak few sentences, English sentences, daily use sentences, and then she will grab up some sentences as well. And I think she maybe she is able to speak because she go to English medium school. I think I have asked you enough questions, so if you want, like if you want to ask me anything, you can please go for it.
So how to raise our children?
In my opinion, what I personally believe, I don't know about a lot of things, I don't have much experience about this topic to be honest, but what I believe is that we should be very friendly and supportive as well. Of course, we should be very careful that what is wrong, what is right, we should let them know, we should teach them what is wrong, what is right. But the thing is that we should not be very harsh on them. Like we have to be very um sensitive as a parent, and like soft spoken and friendly. It is very important, this is what I feel. But these days children are like very smart and they can understand everything, so we have to be very careful with them. This is what I feel. I want to know from
Yes,
your perspective, what do you feel about this?
actually, in my opinion, like today's generation is very smart and very sensitive. Whatever they doing, so children copy them.
Mhm. Yes.
So parents are a role model
Yes, yes,
of.
absolutely. I mean, I have a 2 years old daughter, and I cannot tell you that, like, sometimes I say this thing that we should not eat these chips and all. I say this thing to her, and when if she saw me while eating chips and all, she said, "Mama, no, don't eat chips." So these children are
Yes,
very smart these days, so we have to be very, very careful around them. And of course, if we are saying something, some certain things to them that don't do this, we should also avoid these things. So yes, I totally agree to this point.
in my opinion, every parents should keep good behavior in front
Yes,
of their children,
yes,
and they do not use bad words
mhm, absolutely.
uh, in front of their children.
Yes,
And actually, everything they copy them, and whatever you want to teach them and learn them. So first, parents should do it.
absolutely.
Then, children do it, and they copy them.
Exactly, exactly. We should not pressurize them to do our expectation, to fulfill our expectation. This is what I feel.
Actually, parents first you should be friendly with your child. and then you should know uh, uh, what things your children want to do.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
you should know uh, him or her interests.
Yeah. Sometimes what happens is like when we are scolding our like when parents are scolding their children too much, children their child feel like maybe I'm not good enough. That's why they are scolding. They have a lot of negative thoughts, and sometimes a child cannot explain those things to their this his or her parents because he feels like because they don't understand me. That's how because as a parent we are able to understand a lot of things because we have seen a lot of things in our life, but the child is growing up right now, he does not have that much knowledge about life, and then you are scolding them. We should understand the children ability to thinking and the children mindset, what kind of mindset they have, what kind of maturity they have right now. I have only a very small child, so I have no experience in parenting and all, but I know that how it feels to scold and when someone don't speak to you politely, so that's why I'm saying.
Actually, today's generation is a condition like whatever we want to make understand, so they can understand politely,
Mhm.
but they
Yes.
they do not want to understand with scolding.
Mhm, get it. Yeah, exactly. And I think that's good somewhere. This is what I feel. Sometimes parents have this mindset that they are right all the time just because they are parents or elder people. Sometimes elder people think that because they are elder, that's why they are right all the time, and because children are children, and that's why they are wrong all the time. But it is not how it is. Like I don't agree on this thing. That I feel like it's completely depend on how much thinking ability you have and how much mature you are, and just because you are elder doesn't mean you have all the understanding, and doesn't mean you are very understandable, you are very mature. Sometimes we elder people also understand this thing that just because we are elder doesn't mean we have all knowledge. We should listen to our younger one as well. This is what I feel.
Yes, actually, you are saying right. Sometimes parents can be wrong.
Yeah, yeah.
Sometimes not all the time, but sometimes can be. And
Yes.
sometimes parents listen to their children,
Mhm.
what they are talking, what they want to talk with them. Yes.
We have to wrap up this session today, and I just want to tell you that it was lovely conversation with you, and you are so mature, and I feel very happy after having this conversation. Thank you so much.
So thank you. Actually, thank you very much, Akanksha, for giving your persistence. And you are a good speaker.
Thank you so
Like
much.